Churches pray for Mnangagwa's continued rule. By Southern Eye Reporter, the 17th of September 2025. Spread the love. The Council of Churches in Africa, CCA, has expressed support for President Emmerson Mnangagwa's continued leadership, offering prayers for his rule as he celebrated his 83rd birthday on Tuesday in the Mappinger area of ZVAITWA, Midlands. Mnangagwa, who succeeded the late Robert Mugabe, is currently serving his second and final term, which is due to end in 2028. However, the ruling ZANU-PF is pushing for an extension of his presidency to 2030, following a resolution adopted at the party's 2024 annual conference. In a congratulatory message, CCA President Rocky Moyo praised Mnangagwa's leadership. As spiritual leaders, we recognize your dedication to the welfare of the Zimbabwean people and your efforts to promote national development and unity. We pray for continued wisdom, guidance, and strength as you lead our nation. We wish you many more years of fruitful service to our great nation, Zimbabwe, he said. The CCA, an African continental ecumenical body, represents apostolic, Zion, and Pentecostal churches across the continent.